ko to sa tanan. So, kanyang message is just a message of thanks, no? I want to thank everyone for coming here. Your presence is already enough that fit na ako you are proud of me and nag-support you na ito sa ako. And then I want to thank those people who have been part of my journey from law school to the bar, especially for my family, no? Despite of all the trials sa tanang mga nagyan, especially this year, but they are there to strengthen me and they are always my motivation para mas magigamot pa yun sa life. And thank you to my law professors, no? I will never regret enrolling in St. Columban Good. And of course, Columban, part of it sa Columban family, and it's an honor to be one of the first Columban lawyers. Isa dyan po na sa among motivation sa mga classmates nga maligawag kita kay aron para gawin po sa Columban, dili lang para sa mga kadilipan sa Columban. I also want to thank my office mates for nagigit sila. Yes, nagigit sila sa akong tapat, even from the start, maski kami si Arman, atin ni siya. Balag siya na, bagan kay isugo, pero basta kay Kuan, especially nga mabisig ko, but they're very understanding yun. Especially ang mga former Dean Pod, Ms. Dean Ching. And then also my relatives, the Malicor family and the Daon family for supporting me, even our family, even from the start. Then also to Likaway family. And thank you also both emotional support and even financial support in Ireland hapon. And to everyone, so salamat kaayo. This achieving this dream would not be made possible without your help. Kailan pa nila, it takes a village to raise a lawyer. So kung wala po diri, wala po taani nga celebration. And above all, I want to thank the Lord for sustaining me with this grace all throughout these years. Diri gid ko makaingon nga sa Ginoo gid makapangayo og strength kay kung wala na gid akong luya na gid dito gid mo as strength sa kinatasan nga ang strength niya is limitless. And then of course wala naman siya diri no, but I want to thank Aya. Yes, in my bar journey, ma-feel na ko that she's there. I've always think yun na mag-study ko, mag-take ko exam na agad siya nagabantay sa ako. I think that her really as my guardian angel and I would like to thank her for that. So overall, thank you everyone for your presence and I hope you will